Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to a brand new video. So today's video, I'm actually trying to do a weekly vlog, which I've never done before. Okay, so today is Saturday, we're still in Turkey, Istanbul, and we are visiting our my husband's first cousin. So we're actually staying at their house, which is such a beautiful house. So we're going to be staying here for 3 days. So this is really going to be part 2 of my house tour. So if you saw part one I filmed us traveling to the airport from London to like Heathrow, and then Heathrow to Turkey, Istanbul. And then I also done a tour of the house that we were staying in. Such a beautiful house. We're still in Istanbul. I don't know what part of Istanbul we're in, because Istanbul is just such a huge city. You know, it took us about an hour and a half to drive from the other house to here. But I've got to say, this house is just so beautiful, and I'm glad that we're going to be finishing more or less our holiday here. So I'm going to give you like a little tour of the outside space, because that's where I am right now, obviously. So it actually reminds you of an English home garden. So we've got fruit trees here, lovely fresh organic pears. You've got some lovely trees here. I absolutely love this pine cone tree. My husband's cousin is actually going to be giving me some of those pines from this tree here, so I can use them during autumn. Okay, just so lovely. I mean, I can actually smell the pine from that pine tree. Lovely, so beautiful. So over here we have a walnut tree, and this smells absolutely gorgeous. It's actually this that I'm smelling. Okay, so this is how the walnuts look. If you're wondering, if you've ever thought of where walnuts come from, they actually start like that, and you open this up and you've got the walnut inside. So this tree is fully loaded with walnuts. Beautiful pink rose, or pink, beautiful pink flowers. And then dotted around the garden outside, you've got these lanterns dotted around the garden. So I can't wait for the night scene here, especially with the pool as well. It's just so lovely. It's a small, what do you call this again? It's like a, so you've got this amazing pool that we spent most of our day in, you can imagine. Little Oakley splashing around in there. It was just, you know, he just absolutely loves it, you know. And then this is one of my favourite spots to sit and just chill out. Garden swing. So lovely, guys. I can sit here forever. Nice blue skies. Okay, so we are about to sit and have an afternoon meal. Okay, so we just finished our meal. I'm just going to show you the front of the house now. So as I'm walking here, this is like, it was obviously at the back, so the front entrance is all gated. This is the front yard. Got a little basketball hoop there. Nice front garden. You've got this vine tree pergola at the entrance here. You come through. Then this is the front of the house. Got a garage. Nice big porch. And then on the side here, they've got their vegetable garden. So you've got tomatoes growing here. You've got watermelon, pumpkin. Let's go through. And I think This is looking like eucalyptus. Come through here. You can walk all the way around to the back of the house. So you've got tomatoes growing here. Melon. And then we come to the back here and we've got the pool. Oh, what to say, my outfit of the day, honestly, Primark have been absolutely amazing for this holiday. I would say 90% of the content of my suitcase in terms of clothes are from Primark. So my outfit of today, I'm actually wearing all Primark. All Primark. So I've got this beach cover up. I've got a white camo. And I've got some white shorts on, all white. And then these earrings are actually from Primark as well, I think so. My gold bangle, Primark. And then I had my gold sandals on when I got here. I changed into some suitable shoes to be next to the pool.
Done?
Yay! Okay guys, I'm going to end the video there. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. Take care, keep well, and I shall see you very soon on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.